Besides laundry, how else can EC3 be used to deal with mycotoxins in the home? What else can be cleaned in the home with the EC3? I mean, I use it everywhere in my house. I use it in my shower. That's another place I find a lot of mold is people think it's grout in their bathrooms or their tub or the tile on the floor, and it's really mold. So I use it all the time to clean those products. I really do everything. I clean my floors with it, my countertops. Again, I light the candle all of the time. The laundry additive. I have a company come in and clean my splits multiple times a year. I really use it for everything. It's so amazing, and it's been so helpful for me. So if you're looking for one place to start other than the laundry, I think that they have a fabric spray that's great, a fabric mold spray. I would do the candle and the fabric mold spray and the enzyme cleaner. I think those are 3 products that would be really beneficial to help